Hello everyone, and welcome to Pushpa Flower Fusion. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of adeniums, those captivating desert roses. This beautiful and low-maintenance flowering plant thrives in warm climates and is perfect for both indoor and outdoor cultivation. Let's get started. Now, before we welcome an adenium into our homes, let's talk about creating the perfect environment for it to thrive. Opt for a well-draining pot with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Clay or ceramic pots are excellent choices. Adeniums prefer a bit of breathing room for their roots, so don't be afraid to size up as your plant grows. I recommend a blend of cactus soil with perlite or sand, ensuring excellent drainage and aeration for your adenium to flourish. Now let's talk about welcoming your adenium into its new home. Whether you're starting from seeds or cuttings, a little patience and the right technique will have you well on your way. If you're starting from seeds, soak them in water for a few hours to kickstart germination. For those propagating from cuttings, allow the cut end to dry for a couple of days, forming a callus that prevents rot. Then simply plant the cutting in well-draining soil and watch it take root. Adeniums thrive in the warmth of the sun. They need at least 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If natural sunlight is limited, supplement with some grow lights to keep your adenium happy and thriving. Now, let's talk about watering, a crucial aspect of adenium care. These are desert dwellers at heart, so they prefer a drier environment. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During the winter months, when your adenium enters its dormant phase, reduce watering even further. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. Nourishing blooms. Fertilizing your adenium. During the growing season, feed your adenium every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. To encourage more flowers, incorporate a phosphorus-rich fertilizer into your routine. Pruning and shaping, creating adenium masterpieces. Pruning not only keeps your adenium looking its best, but also promotes bushier growth and more abundant flowering. After the blooming season, carefully prune back any leggy or overgrown branches, removing any dead or diseased parts. Protecting your adenium pest and disease control. Adeniums can occasionally attract unwanted guests or face certain challenges. Keep a watchful eye out for common culprits like mealybugs, aphids, and spider mites. If you spot any unwelcome visitors, treat them promptly with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Happy blooming! Congratulations! You're now well equipped to grow and care for your very own adenium. By following these tips, your adenium should produce bigger and more frequent blooms throughout the growing season. Experiment with different pot sizes, soil mixtures, and even try your hand at creating a stunning bonsai. Until next time, happy gardening!